Hey everybody, Tim here doing an unboxing of a package I received. It's a really weird car in here. The other one you guys have probably seen, but I'm not sure. But there's a really strange car in here that I want to show you guys, and I want to know if anybody's seen this, and it's just very, very interesting. And before, this seller had a lot of like wacky stuff. Like they had everything from Leos to Johnny Lightnings to rare stuff to this and that. It was really actually fascinating, the vast variety of stuff that this seller had in particular. I've never seen as much of a vast variety of stuff as this seller had, to be honest with you. Let me get the two cars out of here. There's two. Now the first one is going to be the obvious one. I'm going to show you that one. This is a Siku Club. What is this? I think this is like a VW Caravelle. I think this is the blue version. I have the red version of this. This is the blue version. This is a nice vehicle. Let me just actually get this open for you guys. I'm going to actually rip this open and get this out of here. Nice. Sikus are made pretty well. I'm going to do an individual review on this car. Now, this is the interesting one. This is a Trident Alpha 187 scale model. This is a Chevy. And this is similar to the Wicking models. They're very similar, but this is just something that I don't know, I've never seen this before. Like, this is the first time I've actually seen this car, and I've never actually seen this. This is a really interesting, unique model because I've never seen this before. It says Trident Alpha at the top, and this seems like it's not from the United States. It seems like it was made in Austria or Europe, because that's what it says. Let me get this open, but I have to be careful here because there's staples in the package here, and I don't want to accidentally get a staple somewhere that I don't want it. So I have to be careful here to open this because they stapled this together instead of actually using a regular bubble, so you could easily cut yourself. So you got to be careful. Now I'm getting this car out, and I'm getting this piece out here. I'm not sure what this is. It looks like this may have been opened at some point and it was put together, because this is looks like the tree that was in there. It looks like maybe the mirrors, actually the mirrors here. You have to take the mirror out and you have to put it here. But I'm really not sure. I would think the mirror would go somewhere on this car, but I don't know. I mean, it's just, there's like nowhere to put the mirror, and it's really weird. And something about this car is just strange. But yeah, if somebody could tell me where this was made from, let me know, because this is really unique. This might be the first of its kind on YouTube, actually, because I've never seen them all like this before. All right, guys, that's going to be my review tape for the two cars I received. Thank you.